Pyramids. In this video, we will learn what a pyramid is and how to find its volume and surface area. Let's start. A pyramid is a solid with a polygon for a base and triangular faces which come from the edges of the base to meet at a point called the apex. Look at the figure. The one and only base of the pyramid is a polygon. Pyramids are named based on the shapes of their bases. The base is a rectangular pyramid. The base is a triangular pyramid. The base is a hexagonal pyramid. The lateral faces are always triangles. The height of the pyramid is the measure of the perpendicular line segment from the apex to the base. Pay attention. Slant height is the height of each lateral face. The sides of a pyramid are triangles, therefore the slant height is the height of the triangle. Surface area of a pyramid. The surface area of a pyramid is the sum of the area of the base plus the areas of the lateral faces. The base area depends on the shape. Because the base can be any polygon, there are different formulas for triangle, rectangle, hexagon, etc. Use the correct formula for the respective base polygon. The lateral faces of a pyramid are triangles. If the polygon of the base is a regular polygon, all the lateral faces are equal. We find the area of one face, then multiply by the number of the faces. Volume of a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the area of its base times its height. This is the formula. Let's see how it works. Find the volume and surface area of the following pyramids. This is a square pyramid since the base is a square. The area of the square is side squared. In a square pyramid, the lateral faces are 4 isosceles triangles. To calculate the lateral area, we find the area of one face, then multiply by 4. To find the area of the triangle, we need the height of the triangle, and the height of this face is the slant height. We use the Pythagoras theorem to find the slant height. The lateral area is the area of one triangle multiplied by 4. The surface area of a pyramid is the sum of the area of the base plus the lateral area. To calculate the volume, we need the height of the pyramid. To calculate the height, we use Pythagoras theorem again. Look at the pyramid. Let's find the height of a pyramid. Now take the formula. Change the height by 5.29. This is the volume. This is a hexagonal pyramid, and the area of the base is given by the formula for the area of a regular hexagon. Change A by 5 centimeters. To find the area of the lateral faces, we can see that the hexagonal pyramid has 6 faces, all isosceles triangles. So it's only necessary to find the area of one lateral face and multiply it by 6. To find the area of the triangle, we need the height of the triangle, and the height of the lateral face is the slant height. We use the Pythagoras theorem to find the slant height. Let's calculate the area of one lateral face and multiply it by 6. The surface area of a pyramid is the sum of the area of the base plus the lateral area. To calculate the volume, take the formula, change the height and the base area. It's done. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.